Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're up to day 10. So we are 10 days. So 10 out of 25. So common denominator, let's do some maths. 10. So we're 2/5 of the way there. Is that right? I think that's right. So we've got door number 10, which is really cool. Looks like we've got at least some hearts, like some red and green hearts again. Well, let's build it and find out. It's always exciting. I like a surprise. So pretty candy cane colors, which is Christmassy and awesome. So we've got white here and okay, so this is the handle hangy thing over here. Nice to see some of these rounded, these little quarter pie pieces. And this is this a heart? This is not a heart. Oh, it's a sock. It's a Christmas stocking with a star on it. This is really adorable. Look, and you can hang it from here. And we've got pieces to make too. That's curious. This is really, I'm not complaining about having enough pieces to do two, but I wonder why there are enough pieces to do two. I don't know why. I'm really interested in why there are enough pieces to do two. So we got matching socks, stockings, for the fireplace too, because one would be sad and lonely. I suppose it'd be lonely if it was on its own, so we got two. That's really cute. Two matching stockings for hanging on the Christmas tree or on the fireplace. Okay, all right, so that was done really too quickly. Oh, I'm sad. Okay, but I'm not sad because I've got another one to open tomorrow. So, door 11 tomorrow. That's cool. Actually, I don't think I can do that fraction with math, so we're not going to do that tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh my goodness. Christmas is breaking my brain.